Misdemeanor cases are bogging down the judicial system. News 13's Jacqueline Fell continues our coverage of the problems with Florida's county court system. And you're live outside the Orange County Courthouse. Jackie, the process is moving quickly. So what's the problem?
Well, the problem, Beth, is that a new report says things are moving too quickly. In a race to get through so many cases because there just are that many, there's now concern that a defendant might not be getting their day in court. If you've ever been on the 4th floor of the Orange County Courthouse, you'd think they were giving something away for free. Are you here? But this is where all the misdemeanor cases are handled. And as you can see, there's plenty of work going around.
Thank you. Go ahead and be seated.
In just a matter of minutes, dozens of these cases will end with what defense attorney Richard Hornsby calls a slap on the wrist.
You have the right to have your case heard before a judge or jury.
Many, here without an attorney, will listen to the judge, plea, agree to pay court costs, and then be on their way.
9 times out of 10, people are going to take what they think is a path of least resistance. But in reality, that path will cause them much more problems down the road.
A new report by the National Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers shows too many Floridians are following this path. And not only is it costing taxpayers, but raising the concern most people don't realize the impact a criminal record can have on their future.
But once again, I'll advise each of you of that individually.
The report also found judges aren't asking defendants if they want an attorney, and only about a third of the time did a judge discuss the importance, the pros and cons of having counsel or standing alone.
Don't say anything. I don't want anything to be used against you at a later time.
In the defendant's first hearing, they're huddled together to watch a 20-minute video. They'll fill out paperwork and then see the judge for about 3 minutes. After more paperwork, they're free to go. Chief Public Defender Bob Wesley asks how much, though, can really be done in just 3 minutes.
If people thought that seeing their own doctor was a 3-minute process, they would be outraged and they would want reform, and they want people to slow it down and give them attention and deal with them as an individual. To think of something as important as a court case that affects their liberty and can affect their future was taking that short of time is grave concern also.
Now, in this report, there are also a number of recommendations, including making some of these less offenses not even a criminal act. It also talks about waiving some of the public defender fees to make having an attorney more affordable. You can read the entire report as well as those recommendations on our webpage right now, cfnews13.com. Beth.
News 13's Jacqueline Fell reporting live.